Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this easy blankets pattern using the granny square, which is very easy. Only we are going to repeat only one row till the end of this pattern. You can make any size of this blanket, only you have to keep the chains, which is multiples of 18. So let's start the project without further delay. Before that, I request all of you to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, along with the bell icon, and don't forget to give your thumbs up if you like this tutorial. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you can leave it on the comment section, or you can send a message through Instagram. So let's start the project. We'll start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So here I have made chains which is multiples of 18. For this pattern we need to have the chains which is multiples of 18, and then yarn over. We'll count from here 1 2 3 4 5. Into the fifth chain I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3, and then yarn over. Skip the next 2. 1 2. Into the third I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Again yarn over, skip the next 2. 1 2. Into the third make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. So we got here 3 clusters. Chain 3. 1 2 3. Yarn over. Into the same we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Yarn over, skip the next 2. 1 2. Into the third we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3. Again yarn over, we'll skip next 2. 1 2. Into the third we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. So here we made 3 clusters, 1 2 3, and then here 1 2 3. So here we have 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3. In this space we are going to skip 5 chains. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4 5. Into the sixth chain we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Yarn over, skip the next 2. 1 2. Into the third one we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Yarn over. Here again skip 2. Into the third we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Again I'm going to make chain 3. 1 2 3. Yarn over. Into the same we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and the third one it is here. Yarn over. So here we got 3 cluster, and then here we made an increase. 3 cluster, we skip the chain. Again 3 cluster, we made an increase. Again we are going to make 3 cluster. Yarn over, skip the next 2. Into the third we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, skip next 2 into the third 1 2 and 3. So here we have the increase, and then we made here 3 clusters. So after the increase 3 cluster, and then we are going to skip 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and to the 6th we will make 3 cluster. 1 2 3, yarn over, skip the next 2, 1 2, and to the third we are going to make 3 double crochets. 1 2 3, yarn over, again skip the next 2, 1 2, and to the third 3 double crochet. 1 2 and the third one, it is here. So here we made increase and then skipped again third one here, so we have to make here an increase. So 3 chain inside, we will make 3 more double crochet. 1 2 and 3, yarn over, skip the next 2, 1 2, and to the third we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, yarn over, skip the next 2, and to the last next one we'll make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3, yarn over, and to the last we are going to make 1 double crochet. We started off with the double crochet, and then we are going to end this row with the double crochet. So insert the hook into this. It's really hard for me to do the last one. Okay, here it is. We made a double crochet. So this is our first row. It's really easy. First we did here 3 clusters, one double crochet. Here it comes like four double crochets, and then a cluster, then a cluster. That means 3 clusters are here. In between we got 3 chain. Again, if you see like this, there are 3 clusters. In between we skipped 5. Again 3 clusters, 3 chain, again 3 cluster, skipped 5 chains, 3 cluster, 3 chain, 3 cluster. End of this we made 1 double crochet. This is going to be our first row. So let's move to the second round. For the second round, just insert the hook into the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet, and then again insert the hook into the second loop, and then make 1 single crochet. Again insert the hook into the second loop, make 1 more single crochet. Again insert the hook into the second loop, make 1 more single crochet. Here we have 4 double crochets. That's why I made 4 single crochets. Like you can make chain also. Yarn over, into this space you can make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, into the next 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Here we have an increase, so again we are going to make an increase. 1 2 3, chain 3, into this make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, and then here we have 2 spaces before this 5 chains. I'm going to make into that 3 double crochet. 1 2 3, and to the next 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3 here. Again what we are going to do here we skipped 5 chain and made the cluster. Again we are going to skip these 2 clusters. We'll skip this and going to make into the next 3 double crochet. 1 2, 3, and then second one here and the third one will come here. We need 3 clusters, so we'll make into this 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into this we'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the space 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here we are going to skip this 2 clusters because we skipped here 5. Again we are going to skip this one. Yarn over for the next round. Here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next we'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here we made an increase stitch in the previous row, so we are going to make again an increase. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 chains and then 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the next we have here 2 spaces. In between we are going to make a cluster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Let's skip these 3 double crochets and we are going to make 1 double crochet top of this third chain. So here we got the border like this. When we make 3 chains or the double crochet, when we make one side we will make the double crochet, when we finish we will make double crochet, when we start we will make the chain, 4 chains. So the border we will get like this. Evenly we can get the border very nicely. And for the other 2 side we have this zigzag pattern, so this blanket will be coming nicely. No need to add any other patterns for the border. You can just make the blanket or any other pattern using this border itself. Especially we don't want to make any border for this. Again for the next row I'll show you how to make the same pattern. There is no difference at all. Let's make into the very first 1 single crochet, into the second loop 1 more single crochet, and then into the second loop 1 more single crochet, into the second loop 1 more single crochet. So here we got 4 single crochets. Yarn over. Into this space we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And then we will do into the next a cluster. Here always an increase, and then here we will skip these 2 increase, skip this 2 increase. Like this we are going to repeat the pattern till we get our desired size for the project. So I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also give your thumbs up. And if you think it will help any of your friends or family, don't forget to share with them.